Hi, I'm Daniel Kim, and I'll be showing you how to create concept art of a spaceship by combining 2D and 3D techniques. Concept art is an important tool in entertainment projects like movies and games. It is a tool for visualizing characters, props, vehicles, and backgrounds for fantastical worlds. We'll begin by creating a design brief for our spaceship to get an idea of where to go with its design to guide our creative decisions. Then create some rough thumbnail sketches and choose one sketch design to block out in 3D. Once the basic forms are blocked out in 3D, we'll render out a handful of views, including front and back, and we'll bring those 3D rendered images back into our 2D image editing app and trace over and draw on top of it. We'll add some color, shading, and decals. Now with a finished piece of concept art, you or a 3D artist on your team can begin creating the 3D art asset for a film or game project.